Hey guys, I'm back, and it's getting closer, really close. It looks more darker out here than it actually does look. I have no idea what to expect. But you can see a little bit of light in the back. Otherwise, it looks like a mad thunderstorm.
Marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 64. The winds were west at 17 knots, gusting to 20. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 67. The winds were west at 13 knots, gusting to 18. In McKinley Marina, the air temperature was 67. The winds were west at 8 knots, gusting to 13. And in Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 8.
And it's a little bit lighter out there, so I expect short thunderstorm. And that's just more gray clouds on the back. But it did kill the sun for sure. The wind's starting to pick up a little.
Waves around 1 foot. Wednesday night, west wind 5 to 10 knots. Mostly clear. Waves around 1 foot. Thursday, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Sunny. Waves around 1 foot.
I love that ad. So satisfying.
For the south half of Lake Michigan, tonight, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots coming west. Isolated showers this evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Wednesday, west winds 10 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Wednesday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thursday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming south 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. The Milwaukee, Wisconsin climate summary for this evening at 4 p.m. May 30th, 2017. Today's high temperature of 70 degrees occurred at 1:54 p.m. This time the normal high of 70. The record high is 91 degrees, which was set in 1994. Today's low temperature of 53 occurred at 4:32 a.m. This low was 2 degrees above the normal low of 51. The record low is 33 degrees, which was set in 1961. A trace of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 2.83 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 16.79 inches. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 70 degrees, and the normal low is 51.
Oh,
The record high for tomorrow is 91.
no, I'm looking outside. And somehow those clouds started to go a little bit lighter, but back there you can see the light. So, not sure what to expect again. It could be just rain. I turned on the weather radio and I heard something saying about Muskego. It said, I heard Muskego.
For tonight, an isolated thunderstorm or two is possible into the evening hours. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Tuesday. There will be chances of thunderstorms from time to time Friday through Sunday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of Lake Michigan. For tonight, a small craft advisory is in effect until 7 p.m. for gusty west winds. An isolated thunderstorm or two is possible into the evening hours. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Tuesday. There will be chances of thunderstorms from time to time Friday through Sunday. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open water
waters to mid-lake from Portland, Washington,
That's literally like
Wisconsin
that.
to Wind Point, Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles west of Whitefish Bay, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will affect the nearshore and open waters with gusty winds. Gusty showers will affect southwestern Milwaukee, Waukesha, and eastern Jefferson counties. At 4:43 p.m.
At this
Central
thing
Daylight
set for
Time,
Milwaukee
a
and
shower was
Waukesha.
located 7 miles northwest of Palmyra, or 7 miles southeast of Jefferson.
Flash flood warning from
35
Madison.
miles an hour. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour are possible with this shower. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Dallas, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Pewaukee,
There it is again.
Heartland, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Wales, Okauchee Lake, O'Connell, Milwaukee, and Merton. A strong thunderstorm will affect southwestern Ozaukee and Milwaukee counties. At 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Menominee Falls,
You know what I like
moving
about
east at
this?
35 miles an hour.
Is you see that
Wind
NOAA
gusts
thing
of 50 to
blinks?
55 miles an
when there's a
hour and
weak
pea-sized
connection.
hail are possible with this storm. The National Weather Service Office recently recorded a gust of 49 miles per hour associated with this activity. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, West Dallas, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Brown Deer, Cedarburg, St. Francis, Hales Corners.
Well, New Berlin's like 2 miles away from us, so whatever New Berlin hits this.
Snow will linger this evening in association with a slow-moving trough of low pressure. A good deal of cloud cover will give way to at least some partial clearing as the evening and overnight wear along.
Yeah, that's what
Quiet
I
weather
see.
is expected Wednesday into Wednesday night, with high pressure to the south of the region. A warm front should then move northeast toward the area Thursday into Friday, lingering into Saturday. This will bring chances.
Oh, we got some. Again!
Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Portland, Washington, Wisconsin to
I hate this.
a strong thunderstorm.
Yeah, when there's given away from a weather alert, it goes off from an alert, and then that gets interrupted
34
again.
knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will affect the near shore and open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the Wisconsin weather synopsis. A few showers and perhaps a rumble of thunder will linger
Alright,
this
guys.
evening in the
Well, I'm subscribed. Click that bell icon to get updated whenever. I am so sorry. Click that bell icon to get notified whenever I make a new video. I'll keep you guys updated. Comment on any questions you have. Bye.